In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. When you're ready, hit App Notifications at the top and click on All. Then click on the best option for you. I will go with Most Frequent. Now you can tap on blue sweater next to any of your apps to block all notifications from it. Then switch them back on by hitting the same, now grey sweater. You can also just tap on any of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!